holding on to the horns of the altar. Holding on to the horns of the altar. I want to talk about the Mayenga subject amongst the pastors somewhere when I was called there. Bambelela Emma Pondwin we altar. An interesting subject. Holding on to the horns of the altar. The altar is a place, and the altar is a place of spiritual encounter. I think there's a subject here, altar. This is how I treat it. The altar is a place, and it is a place of spiritual encounter. I always refer to the altar as the place of the daring. So men ngikhuluma nge-altar, ngikhuluma ngendawo yabantu abanenhliziyo. It is an altar is the place of the daring, we know an example of the daring heart. One day, uNkulunkulu decided to talk to Abraham and said to him, Abraham, ngizokubusisa ngomntwana. Wamyeka uNkulunkulu wahlala uAbraham waze washaya 100 years. Uthe sekemdala kangaka uAbraham, uNkulunkulu wambusisa ngomntwana. Sekembusisile ngomntwana esithi uNkulunkulu letha lo mntwana umlethe kimi ngizomenza abe umhlatshelo. And it took Abraham not to communicate that to his wife, and took the child and went to build an altar, because the man had to have the heart. No ways you can wait for God for 100 years. And then you go, because it takes the heart for you to can be able to obey God when it comes to the altar, because the altar is the place of the daring. It is a place of sacrifice. Sacrifice. After 100 years, there's no ways that Abraham bekade ngamtshela uSarah ukuthi uNkulunkulu masithathe lo mntwana sinikele ngaye, because ungakhohlwa at the time already uSarah bekade seke bhampele lo muntu wamfundisa ukubhukuda, esethe kuyena hamba la ekhaya xosha lo nalo mntwana osimzalelwe wazalwa waba yibastard la ekhaya. So ngixosha ngoba ngeke kwazeke ukuthi umntwana wami uzodlifa nalo mntwana ongasiyo umntwana wala ekhaya. Bosoke baxoshe lamba ababili. So uAbraham uthatha nje uIsaac ukuyomnikela emva kokuthi uHagar sexoshiwe noIshmael. And ungakhohlwa ukuthi uIshmael bekade ezeze source of comfort to lo mama. And lo mama bekade sebhampile sehambele phezulu. Esethi makahanjiswe nalo mntwana engasiyo umntwana la ekhaya. So there's no ways ukuthi uAbraham bekade ngamlokotha lo mama. Athi kuyena ye mama usethi uNkulunkulu asithathe lo mntwana sinikele ngaye. So kwambiza ukuthi uAbraham akabe nenhliziyo, because lapho kade beyakhona bekade bephethe umlilo, bephethe inkuni, kodwa isilwane somhlatshelo sesikade singekho. And bekade azi uAbraham ukuthi mesifika lapha funeka ngakhe ialtar, because ialtar yindawo. I always call the altar a place of the daring. Yabo funeka ube nenhliziyo, awukwazi ukuya kwi-altar. Indaba ye-altar yindawo ye-sacrifice. Yabo kubalulekile ukuthi imindeni i-understand indaba ye-altar, because there's a place la khona ku-critical. Akwenzakali, okay, ayikho lento emanje, kodwa akwenzakali ukuthi kwi-family i-altar limiswe umama. Ngiphinde kuma-families i-altar funeka limiswe ubaba ke, umama kalimisi i-altar. Yabo so and ku-critical ukwazi ukuthi uma ngabe ubaba aya kwi-altar uya endaweni. So when you're talking about an altar, we're not just talking about a thing or an object, but when you're talking about an altar, mesikhuluma nge-altar, sikhuluma ngendawo. Yabo, and kuvame kakhulu ukuthi kube yindawo of sacrifice. Akusizo zonke izinto zase-altari ezikhulunywayo. I-introduction just soshaka kahle next week. Akusiyo yonke into yase-altari ekhulunywayo. That's why, because kunezinto zase-altari ezingakhulunywa, ku-critical ukuthi wenze sure mangabe ubaba unekhaya lakakho, uqinisekise ukuthi kakho abini altari engamiswanga we. because ziningi izinto ezenziwe altari ezingaziwa. Kodwa ukuthi u-Abraham akathatha umntwana angashekayo ukuthi umhlatshelo wanamhlanje kuzoba nomntwana, because bekadazi u-Abraham ukuthi lo mama lo akasanayo umntwana. Umntwana bekade alinayo, umxoshile, wamxosha nomama. Ithemba lakhe yileli. Omunye umuntu wayekwade one day eshada, ezoshada, kanti kuzoshada umngane wakhe eqala, ugogo wakhe wamnikeza i-35,000. Wayithatha yonke, ngeke ngimenshini ngegama, wayithatha yonke i-35,000 wayimikisa emshadweni wakamngane wakhe, because umngane wakhe bekade anenkinga yokushada. Akazange asho kulwazi umshada ukuthi yonke i-35,000 ngiyithathe ugogo yomshado ngihambise emshadweni, kodwa hayi umshado wethu, because ziningi izinto ezikhutshwe altari engaziwa. So uzoba senkingeni mangabe ungake wenze kuvume ukuthi kumiswe i-altari eli-strange kakho, because kunezinto engakhulunywa zase-altari. So ngifuna ukuletha isihloko lana esithi ukubambelela ophondweni lase-altari. Ilokho engifuna ukuletha la, sizokushaya kade kule viki elizayo. Akulimisi mamelanda abathandekayo, awuvumi ukuthi kumiswe i-altari eli-strange elingaziwa wena njengenhloko yekhaya, because ziningi izinto eziqhutshwe altari engaziwa. So asenze nje lesi sihloko bambelela phondweni le-altar. I've learned ukuthi not just a place of the daring, but the altar is a place of spiritual encounter. Mawufuna i-breakthrough ayiqali in the physical, kodwa i-breakthrough iqala in the spiritual. Ngiyazi ukuthi sekuvame kaningi ukuthi umuntu avela asuke nje ahamba ayothenga imoto, abuye sekethi sengithenga imoto. Kodwa izinto zokuthenga imoto akusizinto ezenzakala nje in the physical. Izinto zokuthenga imoto yizinto eziqala in the spiritual, and bese uyamlinda uNkulunkulu ukuthi makayithule in the physical. You can read for me chapter 1 verses number 26.
Number 26. Number 1 to 26. Then God said, let us make man in our image, according to our likeness. Let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, over the birds of the air, and over the cattle, over all the earth, and over every thing that lives on the earth.
Wayesethi uNkulunkulu masenze umuntu ngomfanekiso wethu kufane nathi besifuze. Babuse phekwa wonke umhlaba naphekwa yonke into ehahayo ekhona emhlabeni. Yes.
So God created man in his own image.
Wayesebenza kuNkulunkulu, wayenza umuntu uNkulunkulu ngomfanekiso wakhe.
In the image of God he created him.
Sizovumelana ukuthi uNkulunkulu la uyamenza umuntu. It says then God created man in his own image, and in the image of God created him. Lithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu wayesemenza umuntu ngomfanekiso wakhe, bese ngomfanekiso kaNkulunkulu wamenza umuntu. So
Male and female he created.
Lithi iBhayibheli owesilisa nowesifazane uNkulunkulu wayesebenza. Kodwa lithi iBhayibheli anazange abenze. Lithi iBhayibheli wabadala. It says uNkulunkulu wayesebadala owesilisa nowesifazane. Lithi iBhayibheli male and female he created them. Lithi uNkulunkulu masenza abantu ngomfanekiso wethu bafane nathi basifuze. Sithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu wayesemenza umuntu ngomfanekiso wakhe according to his likeness, wamenza umuntu ngomfanekiso wakhe. Bese uthi owesilisa nowesifazane wabenza uNkulunkulu. Ngifuna ukuthi uyibheke lento le. Sithi iBhayibheli wayesebenza, wayethini uNkulunkulu bona.
Then God blessed them. And God said to them, be fruitful and multiply.
Wayesebebusisa uNkulunkulu wathi kubona gcwalisani umhlaba nubuse. Be fruitful and multiply. Sithi uNkulunkulu kubona gcwalisani umhlaba nubuse. Genesis chapter 2 verses number 7.
Verse number 7. And the Lord God formed man out of the dust of the ground.
So realize what the Bible here talks to us about creation and the formation. So the Bible, go create Genesis chapter 1, God is creating. The Bible, God said, then God said, let's create man in our own image according to our likeness. And then God created man in his image according to his likeness. God created him, and male and female he created them. And then he blessed them and he said to them, be fruitful and multiply. So the Bible is teaching us, the Bible is the Bible, chapter 2, then God formed. So realize, but if you are not careful, you would ask a question, so realize that uNkulunkulu uqedile ukubenza abantu. Ungakhohlwa yonke into uNkulunkulu ayidalayo wayibiza engazothi khona ingekho yabakhona. So uNkulunkulu ubiza izinto mamelayo. uNkulunkulu mangabe edala ubiza izinto ezikamoya ayibize engazothi zikhona zingekho. Mesithi into idalekile sithi uNkulunkulu uyibize into engekho engazothi khona isiba khona. That's why Genesis chapter 1 verses number 1 lithi kuqaleni uNkulunkulu wadala izulu nomhlaba, meaning wadala uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu did not form, God created. Wadala. Ukudala ke ukubiza into engekho ungabi bakhona idalekile, kodwa mongabiza into engekho bese ayibi khona idalekanga. That's why Genesis chapter 1 ethi God Genesis chapter 1 verse number 1.
Genesis chapter number 1, verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. And the earth was without form and void.
So now so realize ukuthi umhlaba ufomekanga. Lithi iBhayibheli the earth was without form. So realize that Genesis chapter 1 verse number 1 it says that in the beginning God created. uNkulunkulu wadala. Ukudala akusukubumba, akusukuhlanganisa, akusukumixa. Ukudala ukubiza ukuthi uvele umemeza into emaphakadeni ebekade ingekho bese iba khona. But lithi iBhayibheli lento uNkulunkulu ayibizayo eqaleni, lithi iBhayibheli wadala izulu nomhlaba, kodwa inkinga ukuthi umhlaba was without form. Umhlaba bongana tangibility, meaning lento uNkulunkulu bekade efuna ukuthi kube umhlaba othintekayo ayizange ifomeke. It was created somewhere in the realm of the spirit. That's why lithi iBhayibheli wasethi uNkulunkulu masenza abantu ngomfanekiso wethu bafane nathi. Wayesebenza owesilisa nowesifazane wayesebebusisa uNkulunkulu uyabenza nje, but somewhere in the spiritual realm there's a breaking that has got to happen in the realm of the spirit before the formation. So awukwazi ukungatemperisha ngezinto ezikamoya because zinga-abort izinto ze-formation. That's why iBhayibheli owesifazane bekade engekho uNkulunkulu form umuntu. Kwathi uNkulunkulu akamlalisa umuntu amvule obambeni akhiphe ubamba amkhandele wesifazane. Wawuphi kanti owesifazane? Ngoba uNkulunkulu wabenza owesilisa nowesifazane wababusisa. Wayesethi kubona gcwalisani umhlaba nezizani nobuse. Wawuphi uma ngabe sevula ubambe ekhanda owesifazane? It is because funeka uqhotshoze into kamoya so the things in the physical may not be aborted. That's why you've got to check how you are. Funeka uqaphele ukuthi unyathela kanjani. Okhathikani ukuthi sisho lento so uzorealize ukuthi kubalulekanga kanani ukuyolenga ophondweni lwe-altare. Nekhumbula ayikho lento le manosini, kodwa nekhumbula leyaphahle ethi umbuso kaNkulunkulu uzofaniswa nendoda eyadecide ukuthi izohamba ezweni elikude, yabiza amadodana wayo, wafika wanikeza enye amathalente amabili, wanikeza enye amathalente ayisihlanu, wanikeza enye ithatheli lodwa. Bahamba bodeli badayisa ngalanka bese semene nawo baphinde babuya. Inkosi yathi nima ibisubuya bafika bathi kuyona nansi izinto bekade usinikeze zona zihambile zazala lezi. Lo bekade ethole lodwa esethi enkosini yakhe, inkosi embi enonya evuna lapho engahlwanyelanga khona. Mina ngenxa yokuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthi uyinkosi embi wena and uyinkosi enonya and ufuna lapho ungahlwanyelanga khona, ngilithathile leli thalenta lakho ngihamba ngalo ngalithukusa. Nali ithalenta lakho elilodwa, yayisethi inkosi alithathu leli thalenta lakalo linikezwe lo onalo, bese yena uyathathwa uphonsela ngaphandle lapho ekhona khona ukukhala nokugedla kwento. Nesikhumbula ese story lithi iBhayibheli wayesithathwa lo wethalente elilodwa waphonselwa ngaphandle. Awukwazi ukutemperisha nezinto kamoya with zero, awukwazi ukutemperisha ngezinto kamoya with zero consequence. Akwenzakali, izinto ayiqali in the physical. That's why big things, it's critical ukuthi sikusho lokho, because lento izoletha ukuthi si-understand noma siqonde ukuthi kubaluleke ngani ukuthi sibambelele ophondweni le-altar. How you deal with the things that God has entrusted you will determine the future of your blessings. Funeka siqaphele ukuthi sihamba kanjani. That's the reason why ke ukuthi athi uPaul mekekhuluma nebandla laseKorinte, hlala phansi basathi, ethi mekekhuluma nebandla laseKorinte athi everything must, okay, let's read that bese uzohlala phansi. Corinthians chapter 14 verses number 40.
Verse number 40 from there, so let all things be done decently and in order.
So let me sit down. So kubalulekile ukuthi sikuveze lokho ukuthi yonke into funeka yenzeke ngenhlelo nangemfanelo. Ku-critical ukuthi sikusho lokho ukuthi yonke into funeka yenzeke ngenhlelo nangemfanelo. We're still expecting some rationale in how we do things. We're expecting ukuthi kube na some level of a certain order. Kune-order izinto funeka zenziwe ngayo. Izinto azenziwa noma ngabe kanjani. Awenzi izinto noma ngabe kanjani, because we are expected as a church to maintain some decency and to maintain some certain order. Funeka kube ne-order thize esenza ukuthi singafani nabanye abantu. So there should be a difference between us and how the world operates lapha ngaphandle. There should be a level of a certain order. So uPaul mekekhuluma nebandla lamaKorinte uthi kubona inenkinga nina bandla lamaKorinte bamba la. Yes, siya-introduce uthi ninenkinga bandla lamaKorinte, nina ni-gifted, ninezipho ekamoya, nina ni-gifted, nithandaza ngelimi futhi izipho ekamoya ninazo. Nedi inkinga yini? Order. Yabo uthi ngelinye ilanga nake nathi nizohlangana nizodla isidlo senkosi, nathi nanifika lapho nafika abantu baphethe izingudu, wahlala nefamily yakhe bayi-4 and bonke abaphuzi kule family, but bafike nezingudu and bayi-4 and asidlali izingudu. Sesiyafika esontweni sabasho sebedakiwe be-right be-spiritual futhi they are praying in other tongues, but i-problem yabo ukuthi order yikho. Niyakhuluma ngelimi, niyaprofetha no-prophet, but the problem yini ukuthi nina anina-order nina. And every time and the problem yini ukuthi you are so spiritual so much that niyakwazi futhi noku-interpret indaba yeSebheru. That's why ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngendaba yokubambelela emaphondweni we-altar, singayikhulumi ngeSebheru, sikhulume ngoKing Shaka, because inkinga ukuthi moke wathola igama elikhulu leSebheru nibambelela lapho, uthola ukuthi ngaphi izinto ziyindisarray and yet nibambelela egameni elikhulu leSebheru. Abantu abaningi they are led astray because of igama elikhulu leSebheru. So mina amaKorinte maningayishaya nje leSebheru nibambelela lapho, and akekho umuntu onganiphikisa ngoba igama leSebheru lishalwa yonto, but the problem yini ukuthi spiritual as you are, you lack order. Ukuba spiritual is spiritual, not and check how you are trading. Kunezinto that are invested and deposited in you, kodwa ani-check ukuthi nihamba kanjani. So ku-critical ukuthi sikulethe lokho ukuthi though you are a spiritual church and a very gifted church, we are still expecting some level of order in the church. In how your fellowship expects the order, indlela enikhonza ngayo siya-expecta ukuthi kube nani, kube khona imfanelo nohlelo. Meaning mangabe kune worship team, siya-expect ukuthi worship team ibe orderly. Mangabe kunomuntu ozothatha umnikelo siya-expect ukuthi abe orderly. Makunomuntu ozosenzela izaziso siya-expect ukuthi abe order. Ni-gifted kuba gifted, but inkinga i-order. Sizwile namaKorinte ukuthi la phakathi kwenu nivumela imijolo nina la esontweni nini, such that kunomfana la phakathi kwenu othi ne-stepmother sakhe because akahlobani naso, nivumela imikhuba nina la esontweni, ni-right nama-gift niyashumayela, but i-problem yenu ama-order nina. So there should be a certain level of order that is actually, there should be a certain level of order that is observed. Awuvele wenze noma ngabe that's why ku-critical ukuthi makube yileyo naleyo ndoda ikwazi ukuthi nisi altari kayo. Because the day i-altar limiswa unkosikazi wakho noma abantwana bakho kuzoba chaotic in that house. Ziningi izinto ey'khulunywayo e-altari ey'ngaziwa. So nina bandla lasekhoneni introduction ngaso nina bandla lasekhoneni ne-rational inkinga yenu ukuthi nilekhe i-order. Izinto eziningi enizenzayo siyakwazi ukuthi sizi-reason out senze umqondo ophusile ngazo, but iproblem anina-order nivumela imikhuba nje yenzeke khona la esontweni nje kule mikhuba eyenzakalayo anina-order. Ni-gifted kuba gifted, you can preach, you can prophesy, you can speak in tongues, but the problem about you anina-order nishoda nge-order. Niyamkhumbula uPaul athi futhi ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi akekho othandaza ngilimi ukudlula mina lapha phakathi. Niyamkhumbula njalo uPaul bekathi we need to apply some rationale. Ngiyakwazi ukungena emoyeni bese ngiyaphuma ngijampe ngize ngapha ngizonilalela ukuthi nithandaza zona ngomoya. That's why athi then what is going to be the conclusion? What shall we conclude with? Usethi the conclusion will be I will pray in the spirit and pray in the physical. I will sing in the spirit and also sing in the physical. Uthi ngizozenza zozimbili because I need to apply some rationale. The problem ile ukuthi nina once nayibamba ngesihebheru nje ngesihebheru ngihamba nayo. I-problem mayingaba yisihebheru or nayiletha ngesigreki manibambe ngesihebheru nayibamba ngesigreki nihamba na nikhohle ukuthi there should be some level of order that still needs to be maintained. Abantu nebefika leso bathi ukuthi ibandla lakhona liyabathanda abantu, liyabahaga abantu, bayababingelela abantu ngesmile. Mekehlela phambi kwakho before hamba esontweni ayekhaya umuntu uthatha inamba yakhe ngicela ukuthola inamba yakho sifuna ukukufonela sikucheck. Leli bandla line order lenza ngayo izinto. Asikuphleli ukuthi uzothatha umnikelo ufike la ngo-quarter to 2 sekukhona umuntu esimcelile ukuthi makangene akuthathele i-order without you calling us. Kune-order yezinto efuneka zenzeke ngayo. But though everything needs to be done decently and in order, we should not forget that we are of the household of faith. Siyazi ukuthi izinto kufuneka zenzele ngohlelo nangemfanelo. Siyazi ukuthi asifiki nezingudu sine-order. But still, we should never forget that we are of the household of faith. Singabendlu yokukholwa, siyamkholela uNkulunkulu. Siyamkholela uNkulunkulu. Isizathu, the reason why sihlangane kanje ukuthi siyamkholelwa uNkulunkulu. And ilento esenza ukuthi sibe ilento esiyona, it's because of the faith that we have in God. Siyamkholelwa kakhulu uNkulunkulu. uDavid ukhuluma lamagama, sizoyichecka lento masenza leya subject leya, the pain of an unanswered prayer. uDavid ukhuluma lamagama, Psalms 71 verses number 20. If you don't mind, can you read for me? It's just an introduction. Psalms 71 verses number 20. Can you read for me?
Number 20 from the last row. Psalm 71 is written. You who have shown me great and
In actual fact, you can read from verses number 19 if you don't mind.
Verse number 19. Also, your righteousness, O God, is very high.
Ukhuluma ngokulunga kaNkulunkulu uthi ukulunga kwakho uNkulunkulu kuphakeme kakhulu. Yes, read.
And we have done great things.
Uthi wenze nezinto ezimangalisayo.
O God, who is like you.
Usithi kubo bonke oThixo bani uNkulunkulu njengawe. Usho uDavid manje abakhuluma noNkulunkulu uthi uNkulunkulu unguNkulunkulu owenza izinto ezinkulu kakhulu. uNkulunkulu ubani onjengawe? Kusho uDavide mangabe ekhuluma noNkulunkulu uthi wena uNkulunkulu nguNkulunkulu omangalisayo, nguNkulunkulu owenza izinto ezimangalisayo kakhulu and umkhulu kakhulu. Ubani ongalinganiswa naye mangabe ekhuluma noNkulunkulu uDavide? Yes.
You have, oh God, who's like you? You who have shown me a great and salvation.
Uthi wena uNkulunkulu ongilethele inhlupheko ezinkulu kakhulu. Most studies in translation, you have exposed me to severe trouble and calamity. It says that. Uthi uNkulunkulu omkhulu, kunento engiyaziyo ngawo, uNkulunkulu omkhulu kakhulu. Bani futhi ongalinganiswa nawe? Kodwa wena uNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu ongilethele inhlupheko ezinkulu kakhulu. Uthi uNkulunkulu ungilethele icalamity, hayi into oganga, ungilethele ubuhlungu obudabukisayo kakhulu, ngilethele icalamity in my life. Kodwa mangithatha ukubuka ngitheka ngibheka abanye uNkulunkulu, you are still a cut above the rest. Kodwa wena uNkulunkulu ungilethele inhlupheko ezinkulu kakhulu. Funda.
You who have shown me great and severe trouble shall revive me again.
Uthi noma ngabe ungilethele inhlupheko ezinkulu kakhulu nobuhlungu ongidlulise kubo, uthi kodwa my revival will definitely come from you. Ukhuluma njengale ndoda ethi masibuyele kuNkulunkulu ngoba uyena osidwengulile, ngosuku lwesithathu uzosiphilisa. Uthi asibuyele kuye, shaye uye yena, sihlushwe uye, kodwa masibuyele kuye because ukuphila kwethu kukuye, ukuphila kwethu kukuye. Ngizothi mina, though we expect a certain level of order and decency, singakukhohlwa ukuthi thina singabendlu yokholwa. Siyamkholelwa uNkulunkulu, simkholelwa kubuhlungu uNkulunkulu, siyamkholelwa uNkulunkulu singekho isikwa, siyamkholelwa uNkulunkulu, siyamkholelwa uNkulunkulu athulile, uNkulunkulu asemazulwini ayinethezelele athulile, siyamkholelwa uNkulunkulu. Ngoba ndoda uNkulunkulu unokuthula. Baba uNkulunkulu, sizoyenza leyo subject, the pain of an unanswered prayer. Just bamba nje most of next week and then we close it. Ngithi mina kuwe siyamkholelwa uNkulunkulu ngoba uNkulunkulu unokuthula. Bathi labafana abathatha baseBhabhele, inkosi uNebukadneza ayilangabi lomlilo lireal liphambi kwethu, and mawusifaka lona singasha sinqonqe, kodwa kunoNkulunkulu esimkholelwayo and siyamazi indlela yakhe yoku-operating ngeqondwe. Singathi sisikhulume lokhu sakukhuluma kuwe, mawusiphosela ngabini lomlilo sisho sinqonqe, kodwa mangenzeka sisho sinqonqe makwazeke emhlabeni wonke ukuthi kunabafana abasha bemkholelwa uNkulunkulu. Siyamazi yena unalo ikhono, unayo indlela, unawo namandla ukuthi akasiphule olakeni lwaleli langabi lomlilo, kodwa noma sengasikhululanga makwazeke ngoba engunokuthula uNkulunkulu. Uthi uDavide makakhuluma ngalo uNkulunkulu, umkhulu uNkulunkulu kunabanye uNkulunkulu, uphakeme nezindlela zakho nokulunga kwakho kuphakeme. Kodwa wena uNkulunkulu ungilethele ubuhlungu obukhulu kakhulu and calamity. Kodwa into engiyaziyo ngawe ukuthi imvuselelo yami izovela kuwe. Sizomisa i-altar, siyobambelela ophondweni le-altar. Number 1, i-altar indawo of a spiritual encounter. Bamba la ungisala. 2, i-altar indawo of the daring. Kula uya khona abanenhliziyo. Mawunganayo inhliziyo awukwazi ukuya kwi-altar ngoba i-altar indawo ye-sacrifice. Number 3, the altar is a place where you know divinity will enforce itself in the physical. Uyakwazi ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyosacrifice ngakho konke ngiyikho, kodwa khona lapho ngiyazi ukuthi kunobuNkulunkulu obuzongenelela ubuntu. It is a place where divinity enforces itself into the physical. Usethi uAbraham mekhuluma nalomfana, ungakhathazeki mfana, as long as umlilo ney'nkunzi khona, uJehova uzobonelela isilwane. And when he gets there, he begins to build an altar. And as he builds an altar, God is ascending on the other side of the mountain. Akwenzakala ukuthi ukhuphuke i-altare uNkulunkulu angayingeni indaba yakho. It may take you years, kungaba yiminyaka, kodwa uyikhuphuke i-altare uNkulunkulu angayingeni indaba yakho. Ingakuthatha iminyaka khona, kodwa kwenzakale ukuthi ukhuphuke i-altare uNkulunkulu angayingeni indaba yakho. Why? Because ayifi into yase-altare. Ngizoma nje lapho, ayifi into yase-altare. Kwaba khona enye indoda eBhayibhelini igama layo uJowabe. uJowabe wahamba ubulala u-Abneri. Sekambulalile u-Abneri, uDavide wakhala kalisisi, athi ufa kanjani u-Abneri ayiqhawe lami afe njengoBharu abulawe uJowabe. iBhayibheli waseva iperiod yakhe emva kweminyaka eminingi, wafa uDavide, wathatha over Solomon. Wayesethi ngizophendulela igazi lika-Abneri akabulawa uJowabe. Lithi iBhayibheli wezwa uJowabe ukuthi uzobulawa, and says he ran into the house of the Lord. Wafika wayobamba emaphondweni we-altare. Lithi wamenyezwe ngaphandle, kwathiwa Jowabe phuma. Wathi uJowabe angiphumi, ngiyazi ukuthi ngizobulawa, ngenani la nizongibulalela e-altare. Bekade azi uJowabe ukuthi makabulawele e-altare akabulawanga, utransitionile, because ayifi into yase-altare. Makungenzeka kube yindoda evumayo ukuthi kwayo kumiswe i-altare elistage izokuhonta iminyaka leyo nto, isizukulwane nesizukulwane, ngoba yifi into yase-altare. One Kings chapter 19 verses number 7, the Bible says u-Elisha uzondela u-Elijah. Kodwa inkinga ka-Elisha ukuthi u-Elisha uney'nkabi alima ngazo. Lithi iBhayibheli makaqeda ukumbozwa yingubo ka-Elijah wareceive ubizo. And the Bible says he began the work of his calling by going to the altar. Ayokwenza umhlatshelo ngey'nkabi ebekade ayilima zadliwa umphakathi wangakubo. Lithi one day u-Elijah emva kweminyaka eminingi ehamba no-Elisha, washiya ingubo yakhe ku-Elisha, washaya ngayo ulwandle lubovu, washaya ngayo iJordan u-Elisha. But after many years wafa u-Elisha. Sekafika u-Elisha wembelwa, but mekembelwa wabola amathambo abamhlophe. Ngelinye ilanga one day kuliwa somewhere kwafa isotsha libulawele empini lathathwa ngoba bekune space ethuneni lika Elisha laphonselwa lapho layolenda emathanjeni ome kakhulu kanti amathambo ka-Elisha lithi iBhayibheli isosha la revive back to life again because ugqoko luka-Elisha ebekade liphindaphindiwe ku-Elisha akuzange kube ugqoko olushayina esiphongweni. It was not just sweat, but it was an anointing. Yilesibiza ukuthi yishah lena bayirabhayo ingene right down through your flesh into the bones. Manje ngoba yifi into yase-altari lithi yaphila ethuneni emathanjeni ka-Elisha kathintwa yisotsha eliqeda ukubulawa empini la revive back to life again because ayifi into yase-altari. Holding on to the horns of the altar. Because izizukulwane nezizukulwane zizodeterminwa yi-altari owayimisayo. Le yinto yokulwelwa ngampane ngikukhaphe. Hayi kukude beke bangcono ukunikeza imo ngampane ngikunikise noma kukude. Ngizokhuluma nefamily ngisho ukuthi ngizovuka ngo-2 ngoba wena uyahamba uye eLimpopo ngampane ngikukhaphe ngoba nginenkinga ayifi into yase-altari. Kunezinto engamelanga uvume zivuswe kakho without your consent ngoba kunezinto ezizovuswa zilizukulwane nezizukulwane. Bathi uzala umntwana ohlakaniphe kakhulu njalo makayenza u-30 year uya drop off. Hlakaniphile yena bekade ezothola i-degree athola i-honors athola i-masters kodwa njalo makayenza u-second year uya drop off. Kuthiwa hayi la ekhaya abantwana bakhona banjena la ekhaya abantwana bakhona banjengakhe bayahamba bafike emavasithi bathole ne-scholarship bethi sibe sebefunda sizwe bethi utholakala esikolweni edakiwe wavoyoleta ipolisi yesikole waxoshwa kanjalo esikolweni bekade enza unyaka muphi bekade senza u-second year. Lo kamzala wakho yena naye bekade enza u-second year. Lo kamalume naye bekade enza u-second. Kune-altari elini ayifi into yase-altari. Ayifi into yase-altari. uJwabe uthi wozani nizongihlabela la ngoba ayifi into yase-altari. Wayabamba amaphondo we-altar? It's because amaphondo aluphawu lwamandla. An altar is not just a place of spiritual encounter. An altar is not just a place of the daring, but an altar is also a place of power. Uyazi why abantu befuna imali? Hlala phansi Pastor T, I'm closing. Niyazi ukuthi indaba abantu befuna imali? Siyamantombazana afuna imali. Bantu bafuna imali. Because imali banikeza amandla. Imali ekwenza ukuthi ube nomuntu ozokusebenzela. Uthi umncane kunaye asebenzele wena emdala kunawe. because imali ikunikeza amandla. Abantu abafuna imali ukuthi i-account ibonakale right. Bantu abantu bafuna imali ngoba imali banikeza amandla wokuthola izinto abantu abanganamali abangakwazi ukuthi bayithole. Imali banikeza amandla. Imali inikeza umuntu amandla imali. Yabona mina njengoba nginjena nje. Mina ngi-vulnerable kabi nangi-broke. Ayikho into engenza ngibe vulnerable njengokuthi ngibe broke. Mina ngi-right manginemali. Mina ngi-right mangazi ukuthi nginemali. Mangazi ukuthi nginemali, ngisho ukuthi mangenza ukuvele into manje nginemali, ngi-right. Sengisho abanye abantu ba-right nabahambile baya ku-vacation noma ngabuya broke, as long as ngonyaka ngiye kuma-vacation ayi-2, milestone sign o-right loyo muntu loyo, ningathi izinto zenidlayo akanankinga. Mina noma ngingaya kuma-vacation kodwa ngikho right manginganamali. Mina ngi-right mina manginemali ngi-right, kusho ukuthi ngiba right nama-jokes wakho noma ngahlekisi ngiyakwazi ukuhleka kuwo mangabe nginemali. Uyabona? Because ngiyashumayela njalo.
Because imali is not just there to beautify your account, but imali is giving you power. Imali inikeza amandla imali. Lesura ikucritical ukuthi sikuveze lokho ukuthi sikwisize yezwi likaNkulunkulu. Sifuna uhlobo lwebandla oluzonamathela ophondweni lwe-altare, because uphondo lunophawu lwamandla. UJesu akamind ukuthi athi kuPeter hambele emanzini uzofika ubambe ifish yokuqala uzoyibamba uvulo kunemali kuyo, because uJesu bambelele uphondweni, and uphondo lwe-altare lunikeza amandla. He commands money to be there. That's why ngelinye amasotsha bathi Jesu awukho isidingo sokuthi uzongena kami. Khuluma izwi lakho lizokulalela ligijime, linqamule intaba, lidlule imisele, lingene kami, lenze lento olithume yona, because usemandleni. Amandla e-altare, iphondo lwe-altare lisinikeza amandla wokukomanda impilo. I think we're gonna zoom a little bit deep into this, because I want to show you how he raised an altar. We have to hold on to the horn of the altar. Holding on to the horn of the altar. Simisa i-altar. Ukuze sinamate ophondo le-altar. Uphondo le-altar lisinikeza amandla okukhomanda impilo. If asinali i-altar, siyafana nezwe. You can't command life. Elijah wakhelwa igumbi eliphezulu enombhede ohlala esodwa nekhandlela, because wayekade akwazi ukukhomanda impilo. Elisha la emandleni lana masimake sithi siyava ngingamemezeli verse for next week. Ngithi kuleli viki elizayo siyachatha siyacala ukuchatha ngo-9 o'clock. Siyaceda ngo-1. Ofike later than 1 o'clock. Angeke asasithole isipedi. Ngeke la esontweni. Umashaya 9 o'clock. Yazi Black Friday. Shaya 2 o'clock abantu babukhini. Umashaya 9 o'clock imoto zibeshala phaya. Sengisho mina nifika ngokora 11 yasothi ngingene. Ingagcwala ukuthi thoko. Nangasebenzela ukusebenzela. Abantu bangadabula ama-departments asuke ngabaye ngani ayibuza ukuthi nisizwile yini ukuthi uzobepeyida next week. Uthi uyapeyida. Uka bari uyitseni uyapeyida. Athi amavesi nakawavulile akathini. Uthe sizwile yena khotha ama-Kings chapter 19 kodwa into ayishilo uyitse wapeyida. 9 o'clock waqala. Kumashaya 9 o'clock kumnyama la. Ibhola next week lingamadlala. Kungadrive abantu basuke eMidrand beze la. Bathi nje uyitse wapeyida. Upeyida kang abanankinga uyitse vela yena wapeyida. And umkhuleko lebhidi sena sayi how yetsa kasona. Kuri kamna uka ngawuthola. I so want to laugh out loud preaching. Yini into engayenza ukuthi bazopreselana la. Amandla bazi ukuthi isipidi singabanikeza bona. Bayazi. Angenzeka ngithole lesa sipidi. Impilo yomndeni wami izoshintsha. I will be able to go at life. Abantu abagijimisa izinto ngoba begijimisa izinto just to have. But abantu bagijimisa izinto because of amandla izinto ezibanikeza bona. Ngizothi yini asibambeleleni